So we're told that a water heater can generate energy output of 3,200 kilojoules per hour, or 3.2 times 10 to the 7 joules per hour. And it wants to know how much water can it heat from 12 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius per hour. Okay, well, that temperature change from 12 to 42 is 30 degrees Celsius. Well, since the power output, P, is equal to Q over T, right, is equal to MC delta T over T. Well, we know that Q is 3.2 times 10 to the 7 joules per hour. And we know that T here is 1 hour. So we have, this is Q is equal to MC delta T, very simply. So solving for M, we have M is equal to Q over MC, or excuse me, Q over C delta T. So plugging those values in, where C is the specific heat for water, 4,186 joules per kilogram times degrees Celsius, this comes out to equal 254.8. And this is kilograms, but that's how much is being lost. And we want M, it wants us to find M over T. So M over T is equal to 254.8 kilograms per hour, because T is 1 hour. So we'll just say T here is equal to 1 hour. We can box that in as the mass loss rate.